Shona Squad. We laugh and learn Shona words and phrases each day.
Hello? Okay, we are coming. Who is that?
Well, it's Baba. He says Amai wants us to come home. You're barber. Do you want to shave your hair? Baba means father, and Amai means mother in Shona.
So mashangwari Handeyi Kumba. Amai wants us.
What does that mean, Tari?
It means, my friends, let us go home. Mother wants us. Our Shona words today are Amai meaning mother, Baba meaning father, Handeyi meaning let's go.
And the last one is Kumba meaning home. That's it, Shona Learning Warriors. Please don't forget to share and subscribe.